Hi guys, it's Legionnaire. Welcome back to my channel. I also want to welcome all of my new subscribers. Today I wanted to do a video on all of the items that I made for January. I did a lot of sewing in January, but I only used 3 patterns, but I used those 3 patterns multiple times. So I want to show you everything that I made in January, and I also want to talk to you about the details of the giveaway. So the first pattern that I used is Simplicity 8529. So I made a review on this pattern except view A. I just ran out of time and didn't have a chance to sew it, but I do plan on sewing it before it gets too warm here in Georgia. So for view B, I actually haven't blogged about it yet, so that'll be in my February video. But I did do view C. I did view C in a red ponte knit, and I did view D, but I didn't color block. I used only brown for view D. And I actually made this pattern before Simplicity had the pattern. I think it was called Sew My Style. I did a challenge one year, and I sewed the toaster sweater is what they call it. So it was very easy. Same with this pattern. It was easy with the PDF pattern, and it was easy with this pattern as well. But Simplicity went on sale for 99 cents, so I just decided, hey, why not just buy the pattern? You have all the different views on here, and you can just make them all. So let me show you a picture of view C with the red ponte knit. So with view C with the red ponte knit, I just paired it with some leggings that I got from Walmart. And now a picture of view D using all brown ponte knit. For view D, I paired that with a pencil skirt. It's a simple pencil skirt. It has one seam down the back, and you can follow Mimi G's 30-minute pencil skirt video here on YouTube. I'll link it below just so you can see how easy it is to put that pencil skirt together. All right. And like I said, next month I'll show you view B, and I made that out of a black and gray ponte knit, but I'll show you that. The next pattern that I used is McCall 7135. I made view B, and I also made view C. I'm in the Sew It Academy, and this is one of the patterns that we use in, I think it's course number 16 in the Sew It Academy. I think it's 16. If not, I'll pop up the correct course for you. But I made the jumpsuit, and I actually shortened the leg to kind of make it a crop. So I'll show you that picture. The brown is kind of dark, so it looks black on camera, but it's a really beautiful brown ponte knit. I think it's the same ponte knit I made out of the toaster sweater, the Simplicity 8529, but can't be sure about that, so don't quote me. And the next view I made, view B, the dress. I actually shortened the dress as well. Mimi shows you how to do that in the Sew It Academy video before you actually sew up the dress. She didn't show you how to shorten the pants, but I just measured how long I wanted the pants to be, and I just cut off the rest. So that was pretty easy. So I'll show you a picture of the dress. I love the Sew It Academy. A lot of people ask me, why did you join the Sew It Academy if you already know how to sew? Well, I'm not an expert sewer. There's still a lot of things that I needed to learn and still do need to learn. So the Sew It Academy helps me with that. I've learned how to draft my own slopers, bodice, skirt, pants. I've learned how to tailor a coat. So there's a lot of different skills that I've learned in the Sew It Academy. And if you're interested in it, I'll link that below as well. And the final pattern that I used was McCall 7061. I made view D, And I also made views C and F. All right. So for view D, the dress, I made it in a black ponte knit, and it does have the pocket on the front, but the black is kind of overshadowing everything. So I'll pop a picture up here with my hands in my pocket so you can actually see um, that I did add the front pocket to it. And I also did a pictorial on my blog. I'll link that below for sewing up view D of this pattern. Really simple, really easy sew. I want to make a ton more of them, but it's starting to warm up a little bit, so I may wait. Or you can probably still do it in spring if you don't do a heavy ponte knit like I did and you won't be too hot. You can use a lightweight knit, and that's still stable, and make this dress and still wear it in the spring. Okay. So for view C and F, I was scrolling through Instagram, and I found a picture of Angela Simmons. I think it was during the holiday, and she had on a camel print outfit. And as soon as I saw that outfit, I knew I had the fabric, and I also knew the perfect pattern to make that outfit. So I'll pop a picture up here so you can see it. I'm absolutely in love with this outfit. I got a lot of compliments on it, but some of the comments were also that I was blending into the background. So I'll know next time if I do a print like that, if I do a camel print like that, I'll know that I need to use a different background in my pictures. But overall, I love this outfit. I could wear it everywhere all the time just because it's comfortable. And I also want to make view C and F in different colors, because it's something, even though I think these are pajamas, if you make it in the right fabric, it can turn out to be a great outfit. So those are all my makes for January. I had fun using only 3 patterns, and I had fun making multiple views of the pattern. So I love to get my money's worth out of a pattern, and I definitely got my money's worth out of all 3 of those patterns. So let me know in the comments if you have sewn up these patterns. Let me know how you like them. They're all pretty easy, straightforward. They're not hard to make at all. I actually need to do a video on the camel print that I did. Someone asked me to do a tutorial on YouTube, so I'm going to try to do that hopefully soon. Anyway, so now on to the giveaway. In my latest pattern and fabric haul video, I told you about a giveaway that I plan on doing. So let me give you the details of that giveaway. In this giveaway, I'm going to have 2 winners. One winner will be a sewer. The other winner will be a non-sewer. So this is what I'm giving away. I'm giving away 3 yards of an African print fabric, that striped African print fabric that I showed you in my haul video, and I'm also giving away an Erin pouch. So I wanted to make sure I did a giveaway that I didn't leave anyone out, so that's why I'm doing sewers and non-sewers. So here are the guidelines. 1, you have to follow on Instagram my page Legionero B, and I'll link that information. I'll pop it on the screen. I'll also link it in the description box below. So you have to follow me on Instagram at Legionero B. You have to tag 2 friends. And when you tag those 2 friends, put in the comments, for sewers, put in the comments what you would do with that fabric. I want to know. I want everyone's ideas because I have 3 yards for myself and I need some ideas on it. And for my non-sewers, you also have to tag 2 friends and tell me how you would style the Erin pouch if you won the pouch in the giveaway, right? And a bonus, if you repost the image on Instagram, you'll be entered into the giveaway twice. So let me go over that again. You have to like my page at Legionero B. Sewers, tag 2 friends and tell me what you would do with the fabric. Nonsewers, tag 2 friends, and tell me how you would style the Erin pouch. And if you repost, you're entered into the giveaway twice. The details of the giveaway will be in the description box below, as well as on my Instagram page. I can't wait to hear what you all are going to do with the fabric as well as the Erin pouch. And if you have any questions for me, leave them in the comments below. And thank you for watching. Click the thumbs up button if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.